Well, good morning, everybody. I tried that sleeping pad last night. Put it underneath my mattress, let it track my sleep, and apparently my sleep score was a 45, which is not really good out of 100. Interestingly enough, I thought and I felt like I slept pretty good, so I was surprised to see it was so low. But this is kind of how this looks. I'm gonna have to do like a screen share thing. But yeah, it has like your sleep score and whatnot, and then you turn it sideways, and you can kind of see the breakdown of when you fall asleep, the REM sleep, the deep sleep, the light sleep, and then you can click on these, oops, and it tells you the time from how long to how long. So pretty cool. I like it so far. I like the layout. I'm gonna sync this up with my Heads Up Health account so that all my data from my scale, this sleep tracking pad, my macros plus everything syncs to Heads Up Health, so I can track all my data in there. Alright, y'all, it's a Saturday morning. We're doing something we don't normally do, kind of hitting up all the family members and just saying howdy. We went to Starbucks, got a cup of coffee, then we went to Granny and Pop's house and sat down and drank coffee with them. So, good little family time, that's important. Alright, y'all, so today we've been kind of just running around, running some errands, but I stopped by Moe's Southwestern Grill and I got a salad. They have grass-fed beef, which I did not know, but I'm pretty surprised about. I got like cheese, cilantro, pico de gallo, so totally keto-friendly, chowing down right now. What are we doing?
All right, we're at the archery shop and we're shooting some bows. I'm trying 35 right now for the first time.
35-pound draw weight. Boom, Robin Hood. All right, y'all, so I never really spent any money on me. I never really spent any money on Crystal. But we went to the archery store. I spent 700 bucks. I got a bow for each of us. I got 6 arrows for each of us. I got a shooter's glove and an arm guard and a quiver and a target, and now we're gonna get into archery because I'm a savage, like savage, you know. But I think this will be a great way for us to both find something to do together. You have to be focused, you have to be like, you know, conscious of your surroundings and just like, you know, a good state of mind to be an accurate archer. So I think this will be a good form of meditation for us. I think it'll be good just in general. Both of our bows are rated for hunting. They have a heavy enough draw weight that we can hunt with them. So I think this would be just an awesome thing that Crystal and I could do together. You know, once a day, come out here, shoot some arrows. So it's good, I'm excited about it. Without further ado, let me sink an arrow into this target. Robin Hood, y'all. Here's the real Robin Hood right here. Boom.
Keep going to the left.
You excited about this?
Yeah, super excited. Oh! Right in the middle.
I want to point out my shooting real quick here. Check this out, y'all. Boom, look at that. Bullseye times 3. In light of all this archery, bow shooting, hunting talk, I decided to open up that big box marked fragile so I can show you what's in it. Hold on. Y'all check this out. Y'all guess how much all these peanuts cost? There's a bunch of peanuts in there. Crazy.
Yeah.
There's a deer in the box.
There he is.
This is not cool, y'all. I haven't opened this thing up in like a couple years because I moved and didn't have a place for him. And now apparently all the flies or something had gotten to him and his hair's coming out. I'm really sad about this.
It's okay.
Let's see what we can do to fix up Bambi here. Alright, y'all, not gonna lie, I thought that was gonna be an incredibly cool clip. More so for me than anybody because I haven't seen that deer that I killed in years. I was really proud of that deer. I was excited to put him on the wall, and quite frankly, like, he's totally ruined. Like this, the skin, I mean, the hair's all slipping. I don't even know what to think right now. It's frustrating. I mean, all the meat we ate, obviously, so the deer was not wasted by any means. But like, I mounted him so that I could have that memory of that hunt, kind of like on the wall and on the forefront of my mind. I don't know, it's just sad. It's not cool. I'm frustrated. Don't know what to do right now. I'm frustrated. Alright, y'all, so today's been a little crazy. It's been kind of more like a date day for Crystal and I.
We needed it.
We needed it. And it started off great. We got our bows, we shot some arrows, took a turn for the worse with the whole deer thing. Totally broke me there, make me so sad. So we're gonna end on a sweet note. I'm gonna go to Outback Steakhouse and get a big old prime rib with au jus sauce.
Those gift cards that
my client hooked us up with.
Super sweet.
So thank you, and we're gonna get some good food now. So here we go.
So then they had to go to Farming. But anyway.
Double duty. Her first piece of beef in over 2 weeks.
Alright, y'all. We just now leaving Outback Steakhouse is what it's called, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What'd you get? Sirloin in a salad.
Yeah, it was like a centerpiece sirloin in a salad, yeah.
I got a prime rib. I got some buffalo chicken wings without the breading, and big old wedge salad. So good top on a pretty good day, pretty eventful day. Good date, baby. Love you.
Yeah, I love you too.
All right, see y'all tomorrow.